Hi, my name is Brian Phillips, and I'm the Product Marketing Manager for the Polycom CX5000, which is a device that adds a very unique group voice and video conferencing experience to Microsoft Office Communication Server 2007 or Microsoft Live Meeting 2007. As I mentioned, it offers a very unique experience in a couple of different ways. One is that it offers a complete 360-degree panoramic view around the entire conference room. As you can see, it has a rather unique design, and in this camera head that's on the top, there are actually 5 cameras that point in all different directions all around the conference room. The CX5000 takes those 5 different images and stitches them all together in a very unique way to deliver this panoramic view of everyone sitting around the conference table. In addition, it also has an active speaker tracking technology that focuses on the active speaker during the meeting. So as one person is speaking, the CX5000 is focusing on their face, and then as a different person starts speaking, the CX5000 will switch views to focus on the person who's now talking. And it delivers both of these views at the same time during a live meeting session. So it creates, in a sense, the best of both worlds, where you get a focus on the active speaker, but you can also have this panoramic view of everyone in the conference room at the same time. Now, another unique aspect of this device is that it is a USB-based system. So it's not a network-based video codec, but instead plugs in through a USB cable to a PC. So it's very easy to bring anyone's laptop into a conference room, as long as they're going to be in a live meeting session or have the Office Communicator client on their PC, simply plug it in, no additional drivers required. So it's very, very easy to use, very, very easy for anyone to walk into the meeting room, plug in the USB cable, and start the meeting. So let me show you a quick demo of what it looks like when you connect the CX5000 to a laptop that is in a live meeting session. I'll simply take the USB cable, plug it right into the USB port on my laptop. And now I'll go ahead and start a live meeting session. So now I've started a live meeting session where I have a laptop here in my meeting room with this Polycom CX5000 connected to it. And in addition, some folks from our San Jose, California office are also connected to the same live meeting session and have a CX5000 in their location as well. So Alan, maybe you could go ahead and introduce yourself.
Sure, Brian. Hi, everyone. I'm Alan Bass, the product manager for the Polycom CX5000, and Brian, I'm looking forward to helping you show what the CX5000 can do.
Great, thanks, Alan. So as you can see, we not only have our content that we're sharing, but in addition, we have these 2 video views. There's the panoramic view that's on the bottom of the screen, where these 5 different images are being stitched together seamlessly. And in addition, in the upper left corner, we've got the active speaker view. So you can see when Alan started speaking, that view very, very quickly switched over to him. So maybe Tim, who's sitting in the middle of our panorama there, maybe Tim, you could start talking and we'll see how quickly it switches to you.
Sure, Brian. Hi, everybody. This is Tim Yankee, Director of Product Marketing in the Voice Division. Glad to be part of the demo, and now we'll switch over to somebody else.
Hi, this is Diane. I work for VSG Marketing. Thank you for inviting me, and I'm going to pass it over.
Hi there. It's John. I'm a member of the engineering team here.
Great, thanks guys. So as you can see, all of this voice, video, and content is all delivered very, very seamlessly with the 2 video views and the content all in one screen, and with the audio then coming through the Polycom CX5000 device. In addition, if we were recording this meeting right now, all of this voice, video, and content would be synchronized so that when the meeting is played back in the future, all of the voice, video, and content can be played back. So it's a great way to record training sessions or have other archive materials available for future viewing. So we've just seen how the Polycom CX5000 works when you're using it with Microsoft Live Meeting. And as you may know, Live Meeting can be used either as a hosted service or as a part of an OCS 2007 deployment. Now, another way that you can communicate through OCS 2007 is through the Office Communicator client that is on your PC. Sometimes you might think of that as the instant messaging client, where you have your buddy list and you can see the presence of all the folks that you're connected to through OCS. You can also use the CX5000 to voice and video enable that Office Communicator client. So let me go ahead and pull up the Office Communicator client on my PC. Okay, so now I've got my Office Communicator 2007 client open, and I've started an IM conversation with Alan, and now we're going to escalate that IM session to video. So we're calling him with our CX5000 that again is connected to my laptop. And there's Alan. Hi, Alan.
Hey, Brian.
So now, as you can see, we, through the Office Communicator 2007 client, have just the active speaker view. So again, you only get the panoramic view when you are in Live Meeting 2007, but you still get the active speaker view even in the Office Communicator IM client, where we can have this integrated IM presence and voice and video experience. And once again, you do still get the active speaker tracking even when you're using the Office Communicator client. So maybe if someone else in San Jose can speak.
Hi, Brian. This is Tim. Yes, so I think the active window has switched over to me.
Great, thank you very much. So as you can see, you can use the product with either Live Meeting 2007 or Office Communicator 2007, though you do get the integrated content panoramic and active speaker view with Live Meeting. And with the Office Communicator client, you get the integrated IM presence and just the active speaker video. So now you've seen how the CX5000 adds group voice and video to either a live meeting session or to the Office Communicator client in an OCS 2007 environment. So I hope you've enjoyed this demo, but there really is nothing like seeing it in action for yourself. So I'd encourage you to try a demo unit and see just how much value it can add to your live meeting and OCS interactions. Thanks so much for your time.